Hi, Brian.
Mark, Fitness4Life.
Okay.
Okay.
We're bringing you another exercise routine, focusing on the feet. But here is the thing about these exercises. You're not isolating your feet. Your whole body is going to be engaged in this, which is the way everything's supposed to work anyway, as opposed to trying to do isolation exercises and just trying to move your foot or ankle. You're going to drive from the foot and ankle, but it's going to involve your hip, your knee, your trunk. So with that in mind, what we're going to do is a lunge pattern. So first one is going to be an anterior lunge. So Brian's just going to step out. He's going to load onto this front leg and just come back. Now, this is a way of working on mobility. It's, as you can see on the video, it's driving that foot to move in the way that it needs to move when we walk. Okay. With doing this, you've got 3 different levels. You can just do a very initial range of motion where you just step out a little bit. Again, depending on how everything feels. You can go to a mid-range where you go a little bit deeper. You can take it for maximum stability that you have in your body and go deeper. You want to do that on both legs, 3 to 5 repetitions. When you can, do some barefoot, but you can also do it with shoes on. Part 2. Because we move forward and backwards, we got to go backwards also. So with backwards, you're going to do a posterior lunge. So you're going to load onto this back foot, put the weight on this foot. There you go. And then come back. This drives the foot and ankle into a different position that we use in function. So the weight goes onto the stepping legs. In this case, he's stepping back with his right. He's putting the weight onto that side. Little bit of bend and coming back. Same way as before, you can do different ranges of motion. If you only go back 6 inches and just move a little bit, if that's what you're capable of, that's okay. Feel it out, do what you're comfortable with, always be safe. If you feel like you need to be balanced better, be standing somewhere where you can support yourself, okay? This is part 1. Part 2 of these, you got to go to the side. So you lunge out to the side, load onto that right foot. In this case, we're just going to be lunging with the right. You'll do it on the left. And then because we go side to side both directions, you got to go across the body a little bit, lunge onto that foot. So you've covered both side to side motions, which again, you can see how the ankle is being driven with that. Third and last one, rotation. So you're going to rotate back, load onto that right foot, come back. Again, vary the range of motion to what is comfortable for you. Part 2, you're going to go across the body so that you went in both directions rotating. If that's too far for you, it's okay to stop just a little bit. Always keep it comfortable, but you want to get all 3 directions. This will help everything from the ground up for you, help keep you functional for this year. If you have further questions, contact us at fitness4lifept.com.